Hi, this is Dalia at Kaizink. I'm going to show you what you can do whenever you have a bird's nest. In this case, the thread ended up finishing midway in the sew, so that usually ends up giving a knot or a bird's nest, the beginning of a bird's nest, like you can see here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is grab some clippers. You're going to go in there and just pull it up and then just clip those threads out. And then just remove the hoop, and then here you can see that there's just like some thread around the bobbin and then in this little opening where the bobbin goes. So you're going to make sure you're going to clean those things out, take off all the thread that you can take off. And then what I like to do is grab like a swab or something in there that I can just like put in there and clean out. And once that's done, I like to also get some air just in case there's any little thread that didn't come out, and then check the bobbin as well, and then just put it back in. For the garment, since it did have like a knot and I don't want it to make a bigger knot or just feel lumpy, I'm gonna go ahead and get the clippers and trim off any of like that excess thread that's there. And then since I caught it early on and it didn't make a hole or anything, I don't have to add extra bracking or replace the garment. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it back on and just put back the stitches and continue.